In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We'll walk through creating a clean line chart in Google Sheets and give it a quick polish so it clearly tells the story in your data. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. It can be an untitled spreadsheet. What matters is that your data is already in the sheet and organized in columns. It helps if the first row includes brief headers like dates and a label for the values, because Sheets can use those labels automatically in your chart. Next, highlight the data you want to visualize. Click and drag across the cells to select the entire range, including headers if you have them. Keep your selection tidy and contiguous to avoid strange results. If your data lives in non-adjacent areas, consider moving or duplicating it into a single block so the charting tool reads it cleanly. Now look to the top of the screen for the menu bar and find the Insert menu. Click Insert, then choose Chart. Sheets will immediately create a default chart on your sheet and open the Chart Editor panel on the right. Don't worry if the default type isn't what you want, we're about to change it. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup section, open the Chart Type dropdown. From the list, choose Line Chart. Depending on your version, you may see a small line icon or a label that says Line Chart. Either works. As soon as you select it, Sheets will redraw the visual using a line, which is great for showing trends over time or continuous data. Click the chart itself on the sheet to highlight it. You'll see a blue outline and small handles around the edges. This confirms the chart is selected, so any changes you make in the editor will apply to the right object. With the chart selected, switch to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. Here you can fine-tune the look and clarity. Consider adding a short descriptive chart title so viewers immediately understand what they're seeing. You can adjust the legend position to keep it out of the way, choose colors that contrast well for multiple series, and tweak line weight to make the trend more readable. If your dates look crowded, format the horizontal axis to show fewer labels, and if values are hard to compare, set a consistent number format on the vertical axis. Grid lines and minor ticks can help guide the eye without clutter if you keep them subtle. As you make changes, watch how each adjustment affects readability and stop when the chart communicates the key point clearly. And that's it. Your line chart is set up, selected, and customized to present your data effectively.